Welcome back to Single Step English. Today we're demystifying the correct pronunciation of the word alias. In alias, the stress falls on the first syllable, so it's alias. Here's a guide for you. Alias. Alias. An alias is when a person, especially an actor or a criminal, is known by two names. They have an alias. Here is a sentence example to help you understand. He used the alias John Smith to protect his identity. If you found this pronunciation video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and like it. And thank you so much for subscribing. If you'd like to watch more videos, please turn on the notification bell below. See you next time.